Are you wondering what's the best way to learn Python? You're not alone, this is a common question. In this tutorial, we will explore effective strategies to help you learn Python. Our end goal is to equip you with practical tips to become a successful Python programmer. First, code every day. Commit to at least 25 minutes daily. Consistency builds muscle memory. Next, write it out. Handwriting notes enhances retention and helps plan your code. Then, use the interactive Python shell. Run Python commands in your terminal to experiment and learn. Take breaks as well. The Pomodoro Technique can help. After 25 minutes of coding, take a short break. Another tip is to embrace your bugs. Approach debugging as a bug bounty hunter. Analyze your code methodically. Also, surround yourself with others who learn. Join local events or online communities to share knowledge. Teaching what you've learned solidifies your understanding. Consider writing blog posts or recording video tutorials. Remember to pair program. Work with another developer to enhance your problem-solving skills. Ask good questions. Provide context, outline your attempts to solve the issue, and demo your problem effectively. Don't forget to build something. Create small projects to apply what you've learned. Finally, contribute to open-source projects. It offers real-world coding experience and the chance to collaborate with others. In summary, consistent practice, collaboration, and hands-on building are key to mastering Python. Now, start coding and apply these tips as you embark on your programming journey.